What is going on, guys? Todd over here. Today we're gonna be comparing the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 versus the Jaybird Tara. So first of all, we're gonna take a look at the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 wireless. So it's a paper box, and inside it contains a warranty guide, user guide, and one pair of ear tips replacement, and of course a micro USB for charging. Moving on for the Jaybird Tara, so it will have a more premium box because the price of this is much more expensive compared to the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 wireless. It costs a more 100 ringgit more compared to the price of the Skull Candy. So the box contains a warranty guide, instruction booklet, and 2 pairs of ear tips replacement and 1 charger. Everything is packed neatly in here. It's all in the packaging. I can say the Jaybird did a really good job on the packaging. And now we're gonna take a look at the Skull Candy Smoking Buds Wireless 2. So it have a flat cable, so as you can see it's already tangled out. I always bring this to school, always squeezing it, and it has a very flexible neck rest, so you can easily put it anywhere you want. You can just squeeze it and throw it inside in your bag. Overall, the body feels very cheap, as the volume control here also feels very cheap. You need to press harder sometimes for it to on or work. Take a look at here, you will see there's a micro USB port here, and this is where you gonna charge it. It takes about 2 hours plus for 100% battery. As I can see, this battery life is very impressive, as I used 3 days to journey to travel to school and I still have plenty of battery life. But connecting to your phone is relatively fast. Moving on, we're gonna take a look at the Jaybird Tara. As compared to the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 wireless, it has a premium feel. The plastic made is quite a very good material built in, and it have a very simple design. Compared to Skull Candy, this will have a much more shorter cable, as this Jaybird have used a very different charging port, and this will be charged faster compared to the Skull Candy. The design of the ear tips also did a very good job in isolate the sound from the outside. Unlike the Skull Candy, you can still hear someone talking very loud if your volume is very low or medium. To power on, just click on the circle button until the lights up. There's a problem right here, as you can see. When you're pressing the button, you will not know that which light bulb will light up. That's the only cons of this, and connecting to the earphone is relatively fast. And for Jaybird user, you can download this app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. This app will let you know what percentage battery life that your earphones are currently having, and they also provide a very good equalizer and community sharing preset for you guys to discover. For example, you can just choose anyone that have shared their own presets throughout the apps, and you can just listen to another perspective of the song. Overall, I can say the Jaybird Tara is much more comfortable compared to the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 wireless. As for the Jaybird Tara, the ear tips really helps to isolate the sounds from the outside. As for the Skull Candy, you can still hear the sound from the outside. If the sound that someone's talking is very loud, you can still hear it. In my experience, I experienced that you cannot force to push the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 wireless inside your ears, as it will cause the bass not to be here if you forcefully push it inside to your ears. So you can just gently put it in your ears and you're good to go. So that's just the cons for the Skull Candy I've experienced. As for the Jaybird, it sits very well, very comfortable on your ears. Nothing, I've experienced nothing, no issue at all. So that's a very good one. And take note guys, as the Jaybird is much more expensive and newer than the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 Wireless. As for battery life, the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 Wireless did a very good job compared to the Jaybird Tara, as the Jaybird Tara can only last about 6 hours, but the Skull Candy can last about 8 hours, which is a very good job. In conclusion, if you are looking for an earphone which is very cheap, which have a very good quality, very good bass, very good battery life, then the Skull Candy Smoking Buds 2 Wireless will be suitable for you. As I've experienced nothing more, no problem. There's a bit of sometimes of disconnecting Bluetooth, just like that. And if you have a very decent budget and you want a sweat resistant earphone, then the Jaybird Tara will be suitable for you, as the audio quality, clarity, bass are very balanced. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any question, like and subscribe to show support, and I will see you guys in the next one.